All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today to skate a...
I don't know. What is it?
What is a skyboard? Underglow.
Fetty, you look different.
I look different?
You look very different, Fetty.
Because
Max weight, 175 pounds.
I just make the cut.
Set features, Slacker's Skyboard. Don't know what that means, but I'm super stoked. Black bounce ball. Don't know what that means, but again, extremely stoked.
That's what sends you to the sky.
2 trick grips, inflatable pin. 22 bright blue LED lights are motion activated. Takes 3 AAA batteries.
Carlos, no.
Carlos, please.
Oh, this is the sky ball.
It looks like a gnarly knee pad.
What?
Look at that. Protection at its finest.
Saturday, October 27th, we're having a Braille House party. If you guys ever wanted to come to the Braille House and hang out with us, this is your chance. Let's go.
This right here is the power source.
No.
That is the abdomen to the spotter.
Oh my.
How is it? Pretty full?
It's good. I don't think you want to keep pumping, dude.
Keep pumping it and it'll explode.
That would be a video.
saw
The
it.
batteries are right here.
But you gotta try sky.
Oh!
Gabe wasn't lying.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh!
Look at it.
Dude, that looks insane.
Neon.
Wow.
Get out the way, Gabe! I think we do need to pump it up more.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came out.
Oh.
Wait, so now you have to drain the air out and then put it back in and pump it up more.
How do you drain the air?
Maybe no, we could just jam it.
Go ahead, jam it back in.
See what you got.
If you can jam it back in, I will give you $100.
He's a genius amongst lesser.
There's people that invented microwaves. Like someone invented a car. Somebody invented. They're like, if I just put a balloon in the middle of a skateboard, someone could hop to the sky on it.
Okay,
Skateboard.
Someone get me my safety glasses.
I'm not touching it anymore.
Keep going? This part needs to be on the bottom. Boom! Oh, that's not right. Look at it. It looks like an avocado.
Skating the world's biggest avocado.
2 more!
It's only inflating this side. It's not inflating that side.
No! I think
Dude, if it pops me, I
Then you
swear.
can grip onto the balloon with your legs. Now bounce to the moon and stars, my son.
See you on the other side.
Oh no!
It just came out.
No.
Aaron. It looks like you're on BB-8. Now grab the handles.
This is the greatest day of my life. I can't, I'm too tall for the handles.
Oh wait, you guys use the handles for him.
You gotta jump.
Ready?
1,
To the sky!
Oh my god.
It's
How do you deflate it?
Someone kick it.
I totally missed it.
I am so sorry, dude.
It didn't hit me. Oh, bomb!
That was the freaking Matrix.
Oh, I feel so bad.
Hey Rowan, run on the wall and let me kick it at you.
I'm not Nigel. Okay.
Yes! Yes!
That's terrifying.
Oh!
Yay!
One man versus one avocado that could feed the entire world. Oh! How did I hit Nigel's second try of that last time? That was the best clip of all time. Oh! Okay, that's it. That's it. We're done.
Almost took out that line.
All right, how do we deflate this thing? Oh, if this pops, it's gonna hurt. It just sounds like I'm letting out a really long fart. So the big side goes on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yes, inflate.
It's my son.
Fill in the hole.
Somebody needs to jump this off the Braille drop. Turn it so when it blows up, it's not facing me, huh?
What? No, you're getting full frontal blown.
Let's go!
All right, should I test it?
Yeah. It's like a snowman.
I need help.
To the sky game.
To the sky.
What?
It's like the worst pogo stick I've heard.
Alright, who's up next? To the sky!
All right, Carlos, back me
To the
up.
sky!
Back me up.
Oh! No. Oh! Whoa!
Carlos get hurt with everything. I feel so bad.
What happened?
Hit me in the head.
In the head?
What?
Oh my god, hit him in the head.
No, get off!
I'm not that fat. Oh, here we go.
We're making it episode 2, just Luke doing this thing. It's fine, and then it just escalates to like a million that fast, dude. You don't get to hold on to the wall. All right, actually, yes, you do. Oh my god!
I was just about to the sky.
Hey, you're lucky that didn't happen on the way up, brother.
My eardrums are ringing right now.
I felt that sound.
You know it's loud when you feel it in your soul.
So pumped up.
I can't breathe right now.
There it goes, bro.
Do the gap. You gotta lean back more.
First try!
Don't mess with me.
Historically accurate hat.
I feel like having wheels on it is like the safest thing we could do.
Dude, that is so extremely bright.
Can you see my face?
Is there any ideas?
Wow. 50-50'd it, brother. I can see it.
All right, Carlos, you're up.
This is so bad.
Oh my god.
Are you okay there, brother?
That counts.
I actually really want to skate it with trucks on, so.
Let's put the trucks on.
It feels like I'm being abducted. I'm way too tall for
Do a
this.
360
That's what
going.
I said. I have to be like this. Late 180.
360!
Thank you. Is that a 360?
That's good. Wait! I have one more request. Uzi, I would like you to do this one. Jump into the mini ramp.
The what?
Hey, that actually wasn't bad. Yeah, there you go. Now we're talking. Why is that so big, Carlos?
Okay, let me show how this. Let me show how this.
Should we put trucks and wheels on it?
Yes.
Hats. To the sky.
This thing is a ball to skate.
Safe. At least your shoes will stick to
I
it.
think 2 bolts are good, right? You think this is my first rodeo, please? Scalpel. Thank you. Hold this. All right. I think it's good.
We'll bite. If you get 50-50 that first try. I got $2 first try.
$2?
That's a bag of hot Cheetos. This is the most dangerous thing.
I think I gave it a little too much pop.
I don't want to film this video anymore.
Why? Of all
thing's
things,
a
we
little freaking death
we
trap.
do everything, and it doesn't even come too close to harming us. This thing.
Carlos knew that was gonna happen.
No, I
too.
didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, okay, it was a possibility, but. Should I do it down to like 3? It's so hard to balance on that thing.
No, I'm not actually doing anything. I just want to.
Just get a high ollie.
Deadly, and then it's extreme.
That's
One
terrifying.
more.
You just want me to fall in.
No, you got it.
180.
Yeah.
Space.
360.
Dude, that strap has it up.
Straight into my tailbone.
Carlos is serious now.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
I'll break everything.
What did you do?
What
did you do?
All right, guys, we hope you had a blast watching that video. We had a blast making this video. If you can find something crazy on the internet, leave it in the comments below, and then let's give a count of how many falls were in this video. The correct answer with the hashtag notification squad will get a prize package. Those lights are not gonna stay on.
They will.
Just like this truck. He literally kickflipped a 3-stair with a truck like this. How does that happen? Watch all the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.
That was crazy.